Hello everyone, welcome to Data with Alifa, and I'm Alif Mir Bahar. In this video, we are going to learn the font. Okay, in the previous video, we have understand what is clipboard and what is cut, copy, paste, and format. So today we are going to enter some name again, this is Alim, this is Thomason, this is John, and another is Hussein. So this has been given as the backward script, so I'm going to change the script to the aptos slab. So aptos slab has been given over here, after Asanga new. Now I'm going to change the font, and like you can change it from here, the 24. I've given it 24. Now if you want to increase more, you have to press over here, like increase. See, 48 has been given. Now if you want to decrease the font size, you have to press over here, 18 has been given over here. Now I'm going to make it bold, like by control B is the shortcut of making it bolder, and now make it italic. So control I is the shortcut of making the fonts into italic. Now if you want to make it underlined, so press, yeah, control U, or press over here, the underline sign will be given. Now I'm going to make it a table look, and give it a look as a table. So control U, sorry, all borders, you should press over here, and then see everything has been given. If you want to make it thick box, so you have to press over here as a thick outside borders. Okay, now see, a border has been created, and now if you want to change it, and change the fill color. I want to make it give it a professional look, this color, and then I want to change this color too, I want to change the font color. See, it has been given. So now I'm going to make it salary. I'm going to give their salary 3,000, 2,000, 5,000, 6,000. Okay, it has been given. Now this is the way how you can do it. And now I want to set an alignment, like this alignment. This alignment can be given. This alignment also been given. So if you want to make it, this is the left alignment. Okay, now I want to make it center, so press over the center, it will go to center. So if you want to give it the left right alignment, so you have to press over here. If you want to change it angle view, you have to press over here. Okay, this is the vertical. This then rotate text up, then you can rotate to text down. You can format and this is the cell. Okay, then now let's make it Control Z is the shortcut key. Okay, so I'm going making it the left alignment. Okay, so this is how your alignment will work. Now the thing is, yeah, I want to merge it. Okay, yeah, merge and center. So press it, merge it. So align will came over here, Control Z. Thank you. In the next video